Welcome to Guitar Music Theory Explained, Episode 2, Chords. We're gonna pick up where we left off from the last video. In the last video, we figured out all the notes in G major, talked about what key is and what scale is, and then from the scale, today, I'm gonna show you how to get the chords. So let's get started. All right, now you know all the notes in G major, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, and I'm gonna teach you now how to figure out all the chords that are in the key of G major. It's a very simple trick, and here's what you do. You start on G. If I want the G chord, you go G, skipping A to B. B, skipping C to D. That's it. G, B, D, that is the G major chord. And it is major, so it's happier sounding. Here's a broad descriptor. Major usually sounds more happy, and then you have minor. You have minor keys and you have minor chords. We can talk about that in another video. But for this is G major, and in the key of G major, the second chord is minor. So you notice the major chord, I used uppercase and an uppercase Roman numeral 1 and uppercase letters. I'm gonna use lowercase letters there for this 2 chord, which is minor. So A skipping B to C, C skipping D to E. Now watch this. 3 chord, by the way, is also minor. B skipping C to D, D skipping E to F sharp. 4, very important chord. 4 is major, C skipping D to E, E skipping F sharp to G. Now, how do you know the difference between major and minor? This is getting into intervals, but real quick, the major chord has 4 half steps up, then 3 half steps up. The minor chord has 3 half steps up, then 4. But you can also just hear it. Listen to G major. It's happier. Here's A minor. A major would be, it'd have a C sharp in it. A minor, A, C, E, which is what we have here, A, C, E. By the way, if you're enjoying this step-by-step process, please give me a like, drop me a comment below and let me know. And if you know anybody else that would be encouraged by this, please share it with them. All right, let's keep going. Now let's finish this out. The 5 chord, D, F sharp, skipping G to A. I just kept it going around. D to F sharp skipping G to A. You can just wrap around and keep going. Now the 6 chord, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, is minor. E skipping F sharp to G, G skipping A to B. And now this chord right here, F sharp skipping G to A skipping B to C. This one is an exception. It's neither major nor minor. It is diminished. So you write a lowercase 7 with a little degree sign. Let me play it for you. F sharp, A, C. Minor would be F sharp, A, C sharp, but this is not. It's F sharp, A, C. And that's a diminished chord. Diminished means to make smaller. So this is 3 half steps up to A and 3 half steps up to C. So it's not 3 and 4, it's 3 and 3, so it's diminished and it's smaller. And then guess what? We're back to the 1 chord, G, B, D, just like that. It's an octave up. So now you have all the notes in the G major scale and all of the chords in G major. But you might be asking yourself, well, what order do I put them in? And that has to deal with the voice leading. For instance, this F sharp likes to move to G. It's called the leading tone. And there's chords that do that, like the 5, the dominant to the tonic. And there's certain ways you have to handle it. And I'm gonna develop a course that deals with this. It deals with voice leading, that gives you a chance to practice your scales, your chord progressions, and to understand how do I make chord progressions that really drive through and create tension and resolve. When the course is ready, I'll put a link right there and a link down in the description section. But until then, feel free to check out some other videos I have and like and subscribe. If you like gear reviews and you like lessons, I've got them. I would love to have you as part of this channel. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. Have a great day. Bye.